Hi there, Master Ken Smith here with Martial Arts Medicine. Today we have a question from a student of Shaolin Kempo Karate asking about Pinon number 4 and specifically the catwalk that's in it and the twist stance. Let's get into this. It's very effective. From our fighting stance, if we remember about our cat stance, we draw in and sink to yield space without giving up distance. So the catwalk is we yield and sink with our feet. Now the front foot I'm going to twist. It's really going to become my back foot. Now my right foot, I'm going to advance, place the foot. I have 90% on the back leg, 10% here. I draw and I twist step. Step, draw in, twist. One more time. I step, yield back by pulling my foot in, sinking, and if I want to advance, I twist. So that's a basic part of Pinon number 4, because Pinon 4 is a very advanced form. And it teaches us a whole lot about self-defense and fighting skills. So an in, twist, step. No weight. In, twist, step. That's the catwalk. So application-wise, Master Caroline, can you come on out here, please? We always bother our partner, and perhaps it might be better on this right there. There you go, here. So as we're in this self-defense situation here, let's just say that she throws a punch. Could be a kick, it doesn't really matter what it is. But as she steps in, let's say she steps in with a punch here, for example here, and she can reach me. Now remember, I'm going to yield back and sink. See, that creates extra space. If she really wants to hit me, if she's really emotional about this, she may lean into this. And by doing that, she literally throws herself off balance, which is good for us. Now, so my left hand, in this case, is going to be, my lead hand is going to be my receiving hand. So when a punch comes in and I yield back, I'm going to use something called soft power here to redirect her. That's my receiving, my yielding side. One more time, it comes in, I yield, and I receive her. Okay, do your best to hang on. Because it really doesn't take much to break someone's balance. Okay, so the punch comes in, I yield here. Now, I yielded, I got her off balance, and I have pretty good stance here. My weight is dropped low. I feel this here. I have flexibility in my leg here. But now the twist step. If this was my receiving side, this is my giving side. So my front leg, I twist to go forward. And I can follow up with my next step of my catwalk. One more time. We're here. I withdraw, I yield. It's not weak. It's yielding to help me, allow her to let me beat her in the fight. Okay, she's actually helping me out just by drawing this foot in and sinking. So I receive with soft power, twist step, and that's my blow. That could be a palm, could be a punch, could be whatever it is you want it to be. So I receive and strike. Both sides, yin and yang, working together. Again, please. Yield, twist step. My next move, this is a pretty advanced move here, is when I step here in my next move, my catwalk, there's no reason why I can't take her leg out from underneath her or kick there to follow up. A lot of hidden gems in this one. The catwalk with the twist step, really advanced fighting technique. Find our partner.